Today we'll talk about how can you select time format on your My Jewelry app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now. So you just click on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on time format, just click on it here. Then here it's going to show for you a list like this. Then here can you select here time format in this list here like you say. When you just select it, you just go down, you click here on save, then automatically here it's going to save with you on my Jewelry app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.